Hello everyone, in today's video, I will show you how to update all the drivers of your computer or Windows using just one powerful command, which is Winget. This method requires no cracks, no subscriptions, completely free and safe. So further ado, let's get started. First, head back to your Windows icon and right click on it and you will see the terminal admin. Open up. In here type Winget version and it will show the current installed Winget version. Now, in order to find out outdated Windows drivers of our computer, we have to type Winget upgrade. Now, this command will search all of the drivers of your computer which are outdated. As you can see, the Java as a development tool, Revo uninstaller, Internet Download Manager, Microsoft Visual Plus, about total 7 upgrades are available. Now, in order to upgrade all of the drivers at once, we will input a final command, which is winget upgrade space all. Now, press enter. And as you can see, it has begun to upgrade all the outdated drivers like 1 out of 7. Now it's installing the first driver. So the installation process will depend on your internet connection. So be patient and wait for Windows to complete its process. So guys, as you can see, all of the drivers are installed on our computer. So this is how you can upgrade all of your Windows PC drivers and external softwares too using these 3 commands. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel and comment what kind of video you want next. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day.